Steamworks Espresso here with another video on our assembly process. We just got our frame back from the powder coat shop, as well as some new hardware and the boiler. As you can see, the frame is powder coated and still in the wrapping from the powder coat shop, as well as the body panels. And this is really stage one of reassembly. Here you can see some internal components. These are heat exchangers that go inside the boiler, and inside they're very clean. They've been triple dipped, as well as the boiler itself and the end plate located here. We're just unpackaging this now from the chemical dipping plant, and we're going through and cleaning up the rough edges. You can see we've removed the old gaskets, and we're going to start using an abrasive wheel to remove any sort of remaining scale debris. The interiors of most of these exchangers are full of scale and piled up thick with calcium and lime, so that's something to take note of. Here's the end plate all cleaned up and ready to go back on the boiler, as well as the boiler itself. And this also just came back from the chemical plant. Now, just to give you some insight as to the interior of the boiler and the condition of it, we're going to flip it around here and try and give you a view of the boiler itself. Just give me 1 second. And this is back from the chemical plant. You can see the interior. It's got some discoloration, but it's actually very clean in here. Normally when these start out, they're completely covered in scale from top to bottom, and we've already pre-rinsed this and neutralized it, so it's ready for reassembly. Again, if you've watched some of the other videos, you can see just how destroyed all these components are before they begin the process. So there's a little insight in the first stages of reassembly.